Believing these myths is actually costing you thousands of dollars in free travel every single year. And most families don't even know they're doing it. Most women believe that reward travel requires extreme couponing and loopholes or massive amounts of credit cards, but that's not true. That's why today I'm going to show you why these beliefs are absolutely wrong and why your next family vacation should cost hundreds less, if not free, once you see the truth. Welcome back to Her Travel Club. My name is Lisa, where I teach women how to take luxury-leaning family vacations using credit card rewards and the budget they already have. If this year you're excited to travel more but don't want to increase your monthly budget, please check out my resources below this video. So without further ado, let's get into our myths. Now, myth number one that I see so many moms believe is that you need an exorbitant amount of reward points in order to book anything. And honestly, if you go the traditional route, they might be right. A lot of families believe that you need something like 300,000 points to book one seat to Europe. And if you go through your credit card portal, you might see numbers like that. I'm here to tell you there is a better way, and it's really not hard to implement. But honestly, the reality is you don't need to be making more money. You just need to be funneling your existing budget strategically through the cards that are going to give you the most rewards in that category. I'll repeat, you don't need to make more money. You just need to be funneling that through the right cards. Here's the part nobody talks about. The average American family spends enough on groceries that if they funneled it through the right card, they could be earning tens of thousands of reward points every year without increasing their budget. With the right strategy, the average family earns enough points every year to pay in full for an awesome family vacation and cover all their flights and hotels without changing their lifestyle or their budget at all. And yes, I'm talking about real travel, not another camping trip. In the last 18 months, I've flown my family of 6 to France, to Switzerland, to Mexico. We've also covered anniversary trips for me and my husband to Costa Rica. We've gone to Hawaii. I've done girls trips, all using reward points and without churning cards, without increasing my budget, just by funneling my existing budget strategically. You don't need more points. You need smarter points. Myth number 2 is that reward points are impossible to find. And honestly, this keeps more moms stuck than anything else. If you're searching for reward flights on the same airlines that you fly domestically automatically, like Delta, United, American Airlines, you're 100% gonna think that reward travel takes way too many points that it feels impossible. Award flights are absolutely easy to find. You just need to be looking on the right platforms through the programs that actually release reward seats. For example, Virgin Airlines flies through Delta. Use British Airways for American airline flights, especially to Europe. And Air Canada Aeroplan for Star Alliance routes. These are the partners that show you award seats that the domestic airlines don't want you to see. In a later video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I booked a Virgin flight that flew through a Delta airline, and that flight would have cost me 120,000 points one way, but I only paid 22,000 points. Myth number 3 is that reward travel or travel hacking is really only for extreme couponers or if you want to make it a part-time job into searching and tracking these flights. Honestly, when I first got into this, I believed that too, until I started developing a really streamlined strategy because honestly, I have 4 kids. There's a lot going on. I don't have time to make this a part-time job. You really don't need complicated spreadsheets or 12 different credit cards or to make it a part-time job or make it take hours every week managing loyalty programs. My method of travel hacking really makes it work for your budget so that it works within your existing family's systems and routines. Here's what my version of reward travel actually looks like. It's opening 1 to 3 very strategic cards that work for your spending, your budget, and where you want to go. It looks like automating your bill pay so you never pay interest. It looks like using free reward tools to find the best flights that give you maximum value. And it looks like giving your family incredible experiences and booking flights to places that you felt like were completely out of reach for less than $10 in taxes and fees. Honestly, if you're capable of shopping online and checking your email, you can do this. It really is that simple. You don't need more time, you need strategy. So if you've ever thought, it's going to take me so long to accumulate enough points to actually take my family on a cool trip, or I don't know where to find reward flights, or I'm not the type of organized person that can figure this out, I've got you. And those myths are keeping you from free and hugely discounted travel and costing you thousands of dollars. You are absolutely capable of providing incredible vacations and experiences for your kids and your family and yourself. You're closer than you think. And the good news is, it's really just the beginning. In my next video, I'm covering 3 insider strategies that I use to fly my family of 6 internationally for almost free. This is where I show you the exact steps that I use to stretch our points, find the best award deals, and really book those awesome trips. So I'll see you there.